I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know whether you're on Windows 10 or 11 and close any full-screen apps so the taskbar can repopulate. Once done, press Win to make the desktop visible, then press Win+I to open settings. Navigate to Personalization and then Taskbar. This is where visibility options live. You do this now because the wrong settings page is a common time sink. Make sure you stay on the taskbar pane before changing toggles or advanced behaviors. Now you change the key toggles. Turn off any automatically hide the taskbar setting so it remains visible. Next, open taskbar behaviors and ensure the taskbar is set to show taskbar buttons and system icons. This clarifies whether it's hidden or empty. If you use multiple displays, make sure the taskbar is enabled on the right display. Once configured, restart Windows Explorer through Task Manager to apply changes immediately, since that often clears transient UI glitches. Finish by verifying visibility. Sign out and back in or reboot if restarting Explorer didn't help, because a full reboot clears deeper session issues. Also check for apps forcing full-screen mode or notification overlays and close them. These can keep the taskbar off-screen. If problems persist, update or reinstall display drivers through Device Manager, since driver corruption can hide UI elements. One key troubleshooting tip: use a clean boot to isolate third-party apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.